In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use virtual background on Google Meet as a student or participant. As virtual meetings have become a crucial part of our daily routines, being adept at using tools like Google Meet can definitely enhance your online experience. Today I'll walk you through the simple steps to set up a virtual background in Google Meet, ensuring you can maintain privacy or simply have a fun background while attending your virtual classes or meetings. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Meet homepage. Once you're there, the next step is to initiate a new meeting. You'll find a button labeled New Meeting. Go ahead and click on it. Now, a drop-down menu will appear giving you a few options. Select Start an Instant Meeting. This will take you directly into a new Google Meet room where you can begin setting things up. With the meeting room open and your camera activated, look towards the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you'll find the option labelled More Options, represented by 3 dots. Click on these dots to reveal further settings that will help customize your meeting experience. In the menu that appears, you'll see several options, but for our purposes today, locate the Backgrounds and Effects option. Clicking on this will open a new panel through which you can alter the appearance behind you during your meeting. This is where the real fun begins. Here, you can pick from a variety of backgrounds that are either preloaded, or you may even choose to upload your own unique image that suits your style or mood for the day. Choose a background effect that you like. If you are unsure or wish to see how different options look, feel free to click on multiple backgrounds and preview them without needing to commit right away. These effects can range from simple blurs to themed rooms or landscapes, providing you the flexibility to maintain your personal style while still staying focused on your meeting. Once you've selected an effect, simply close the panel and you're all set. From here you can proceed with your meeting confidently, knowing your virtual background will keep any distractions out of sight or offer a pleasing visual backdrop for your discussion. And that's it, you now have the knowledge to seamlessly set up and change your virtual backgrounds in Google Meet. Using this feature not only helps to maintain privacy, but can also inject a little personality or professionalism into your online interactions. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide will enhance your next virtual meeting.